Current radar, I want you to take note of the the green box from northern Hardeman County through Jackson, northern Tillman counties, and much of Comanche County. That's a flash flood warning that continues at this point until 1:15. We've got heavy raining thunderstorms continuing to develop and train over the same areas where it has rained a good bit over the last really couple of weeks. So runoff is going to continue to be a problem. Active flooding within that green box. As we always remind you, please never ever drive across any roadway that is covered with water. You don't know what it has done to the road beneath, and if you're in one of those low spots that does flood or near any creeks or streams or rivers, you might want to be aware of that as we go into the late night and the overnight period tonight. Some scattered thunder showers developing across portions of Wichita County. Those are not severe. I do not expect them to be, but there will be some heavy downpours. Now we continue with a tornado watch. Most of the counties have been colored in yellow. Right here automatically at the top of the hour, that's been cleared. We have not yet heard from the Storm Prediction Center. We expect that to come any minute, but I expect that at least from the Red River Valley northward, our Oklahoma counties will be under some sort of new tornado watch that'll go into the late night period tonight. So come back in just a couple of minutes and we'll update you on that watch and a closer look at the radars, guys.
Okay, Kevin, thank you so much.
And as a reminder, be sure to take advantage of our weather alerts on your smartphone by downloading the Texoma to Go and the KFDX weather app through the Google Play or Apple App Store. The storm was so heavy it felt like a tornado. That's what Altus resident Melanie Wheeler told us when she sent us this video of severe weather rolling through Jackson County earlier this evening.
Heavy rain and straight line winds blew through the northwestern part of Texoma tonight, causing quite a bit of damage in Jackson County.
Jaron Spoor joins us now from the Altus Fire Department area with an update on conditions there.
Yeah, that's right. I'm standing here inside the fire station. As you can see right here, the door was blown down by the winds from earlier today. It also landed on the fire truck that's right next to it, smashing the window. We also drove around town. We saw a person who lost a roof to their shed. We also saw a shed blown over. I mean, there's been a lot of different damage, all caused by this storm today. And that's pretty much all we've got so far. There have been power outages. Some people have got their power back on, but they're still working to get everything else back on.
When you came into town, Jaron, we can see the trees down there in the photos that we were able to just put on the air right there. When you came into town, could you see that parts of the town was without power?
Oh, definitely, yeah. I mean, parts of the town is completely dark. Some parts the power is back on, like we were saying. But yeah, there's some that it's just pitch black.
And Jaron, we can see right behind you. Is it still raining quite a bit? And there's a couple of lightning strikes that are going on behind you too.
Yeah, it actually just started picking up not too long ago. It was died down for a while, but yeah, it's back to pouring down raining here in Altus.
Would you recommend people probably stay off the roads right now? Driving conditions pretty bad?
Definitely, yeah. There's definitely some flood areas that we ran into. There's some running water across the road. So, like we say, turn around, don't drown. I mean, it's serious.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, Jaron. Thank you again so much, and stay safe out there, please.
Well, Comanche County also saw some damage due to high winds. We heard of some reports of building and barn damage there, and down power lines as well, and trees north of Medicine Park.
There was also a report of baseball-sized hail in Quanah. My goodness. So if you'd like to share your weather or damage photos, just do this by shooting us an email to news@kfdx.com.